Johnny Law here, General Manager at Luminous Brewhouse. We are a brewery located in downtown Sheridan, Wyoming. We really focus on delivering a craft experience and allowing an opportunity for families to come and gather, and that's why our community has really dubbed us as Sheridan's living room. Obviously, being a brewery, we had to figure out what our product was, so right now we have 5 flagship beers that we focus in on as kind of the standard inventory that we have, but we do have a huge backbone of creativity. We really like just being creative and truly believe that beer should be creative and delivered with a craft experience, and that's kind of our big focus.
See, it started when my lifelong friend Seth Orr and I, we were home brewers for many years off and on, and so it was kind of a side hobby, and he came back and we were starting to think, well, let's give a microbrewery a try. You know, maybe we were passionate enough to make beer. A lot of our friends and family really liked it, so we figured, well, let's try to do it to see if we can make some money on it. And that's where we were both doing 2 different jobs that we just didn't really like, and so we figured, let's try this thing that we enjoy doing and actually make something of it. So the building that we're in now was built in 1925, and it was essentially like a retail store. So the main floor, it's about 4,200 square feet. The basement's 4,200 square feet. So it's got enough size for us to do quite a bit of everything that we want.
Well, so a day in the life of a brewer is honestly a lot of waiting. We're pretty much just a hurry up and wait, hurry up and wait. It's a lot of downtime, but when we start off the process, we take all the grain and we mill it up and grind it down. And basically we're just making barley tea. Then we spice it with hops in the boil and we let it ferment. And pretty much just go from one step to the next, and it's, you know, hour or 2 here, hour or 2 there, and it's just a lot of waiting around for the either the heat to do its magic or the sugars to break down or the yeast to eat it. And it's pretty much a long game for it. It's incredibly enjoyable knowing that what I make is enjoyed by other people, and it's super nice hearing from them being like, oh, this is really good, or that was awesome, I don't know what you did differently, but I really like this batch versus that one, or things like that. And the environment is just so much nicer than some of the places I've worked. It just feels friendly and welcoming, and the crew we have here has been tremendous towards that.
So one of our core values here at Luminous is inclusivity. What that really means to us is allowing this be a place that all can gather regardless of who you are, where you've been. We want to allow families an opportunity to come down and hang out and enjoy time as a family rather than breaking that up. And that was a huge purpose behind that. It really allows us to live into that inclusivity aspect. But really you come down here, anybody is welcome. Like I said, doesn't matter who you are, doesn't matter your background, doesn't matter where you're from. We really want to welcome you for you.
So we've also come to recognize that our customers are very interested in many different ways to get our product. So we've decided to start canning. Right now we're using glass growlers and crowlers, but the next step is to can so that they can take it anywhere and everywhere.